In this tutorial video, we are going to show you how you can remove table formatting from your Excel file without losing any data. Here you can see that this is our table. If we click anywhere on the table, you can see that there is an option appear which is table design. You need to click here. There is an option appear which is tools, and there another option which is convert to range. You need to click there. And this is giving a warning which is, do you want to convert table to a normal range? We will select yes. Then you will see that our table formatting has been removed from our data, but all the format of this table has remained. So we need to remove this. You need to just click anywhere and select all the data of your table. Just you need to go to Home tab. In the right side of the Home tab, you will see an option which is editing. There is another option which is clear. Click there and clear format. Select this, and you will see all the formatting has been removed from your data. This is how you can easily remove table formatting from your data without losing any data. Hope that you like this video. Thank you for watching.